Vaseline that will change your life forever, Beauty Skincare Vaseline. Vaseline is a tried-and-true skin moisturizer, but did you know that it comes with a host of other talents? It is certainly much more versatile than you think, and is actually a girl's other, and a bit less glamorous, best friend. If the fear of cracking a ling by trying to pry open your favorite pale pink nail polish bottle, with your teeth is getting old, try dabbing a small amount of Vaseline around the bottle, before screwing on the cap. This way, the next time you're due for a coat, it will slide right off. Rough, calloused feet are a major turnoff. So, keep them soft and supple by coating them with Vaseline, and putting on a pair of socks before bed. You'll have baby soft heels by morning. If you avoid wearing your favorite hoops because of the pain of sore lobes that result from it, rub Vaseline around the posts before putting them on. Now beauty doesn't always have to mean pain. Here we have some more amazing facts about Vaseline you might be interested in. 1. Did you know that if you want your perfume to last all day, Vaseline is the solution to this? Yes. Rub a spot of it onto your skin, then spray your fragrance over it. Vaseline is scent-free, so it won't affect the smell, but the perfume will adhere to the Vaseline and stay there for hours. To get some bonus time, avoid spraying perfume on your wrists. Between hand washing and just rubbing against your sleeve, it wears off too fast. Go for your ankles, the nape of your neck, or at your cleavage to make the scent linger longer. 2. If you are dealing with a running nose like I am now, you tend to blow your nose too much and the lips also become dry and flaky, so rub a bit of Vaseline around your nostrils. It'll keep the area hydrated and prevent that red, peeling look that comes from blowing your nose too much. Also put a bit of it on your lips to prevent them from cracking and becoming even more painful. 3. Putting the cold aside, if on a normal day you are dealing with flaky lips, get some Vaseline and mix in a little bit of salt or sugar. Simply rub it over your lips and then rinse off. It'll take off the flakes and leave a light layer of hydrating oil. 4. Soothe a nasty sunburn. Use some Vaseline to keep your sunburn under control. It is soothing and it'll lock in your skin's moisture to prevent any peeling. 5. Vaseline as a makeup remover. Run out of your favorite makeup remover? No, don't wash it off with face washington. First use Vaseline like you would your regular remover, and then use your face washington. Just put a bit of it on some cotton wool and clean your face. Your skin will thank you for it and you'll never have to fall asleep with your makeup on again. 6. Stay hydrated. Vaseline is an amazing moisturizer. It is much cheaper than any facial moisturizer around and it does the job just as well. Don't worry about breakouts either. Vaseline is non-comedogenic, meaning that it won't clog your pores. 7. The ultimate pedicure. Want a foot treatment that is both cheap and easy? Here is one that you can do in your sleep. Add a layer of Vaseline to your feet, then cover them up with socks. Your feet would be as smooth as a baby's in the morning. If you need a serious pedicure, this will make the process much easier too. Once your skin is well hydrated, it is much easier to exfoliate away the dry skin and deal with cuticles. 8. Brush your eyebrows with a little Vaseline to help them look groomed. Don't use too much, though, as when you sweat, it'll create a greasy mess on your forehead. 9. Vaseline can be rubbed on teeth when lipstick is worn, to prevent those unsightly lipstick marks on teeth. However, a very tiny amount must be used, and not a huge blob. And for the long-lasting lipsticks like Nude that don't come off easily, just apply some Vaseline on your lips and wipe it off. It will clear all the lipstick from your lips. 10. Slide your jewelry off. Dealing with swollen hands after a long day? Add a layer of Vaseline to your finger and your rings will glide right off. This is especially great for bangle bracelets too. It is not always easy to find the right size bangle. If you're wearing a tighter bangle, Add a very thin coat to your hand and the bracelet will glide right up. Bonus, removing chewing gum from your hair. Don't ask me how chewing gum will end up on your hair, but believe you me, if you passed through that stage as a kid, then you definitely never missed some stages of development. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you. Don't forget to check out more videos that will appear shortly.